Okay, so in this example, we'll be configuring IE. So for that, we need to switch to a class called as Internet Explorer driver equal to new Internet Explorer driver. And let's see what system property we're gonna get if I comment out this, run this, and here we'll get the same illegal state exception set by webdriver.i.driver. So this should be i.driver and the path to the IE executable file, which will, again you're gonna get it from Selenium HQ. Go over here. Now this is not you may not gonna find it over here because this is mentioned on the very beginning, iDriver server. So again, based on your Windows, but here I is only for Windows, right? I'll not gonna work on Linux or Mac. So I is only for Windows, and the recommended version is 32-bit, not 64-bit, because 64-bit, even I have tried, it is very slow. The execution is very slow, right? So 32-bit is what is recommended for 64-bit OS as well, right? So we'll be downloading this 32-bit file, and it is already there in my compressed files. So IE, this is the one. Extract, and you get the executable file. Copy this and paste it to your executable iDriver server. So just copy this name and paste it over here. iDriver server.exe. Save this and run this, and let's see. Started. Okay. See what happens. It started Internet Explorer on the latest API itself, but it says session not created. Why? Unexpected error launching IE. Protected mode settings are not the same for all zones. Enable protected mode must be set to the same value. Enable or disable for all zones. Right. So this is something very important. We need to make sure when you're on an IE browser to go to internet options, security, make sure all these protected modes are enabled and should be at the same level. Click on apply, OK, and now run it again. See, this launches the browser, but it is not navigating to the website. Let us look back at the console. We again got some exception. Let's try reading it. Again, the exception is session not created. Unexpected error launching IE. Browser zoom level was set to 150. It should be 100%. So this is another thing that we need to configure. Go over here, says zoom 100%. That's it. Save, run, and let's see. See, launches IE, and it's navigating to way2automation.com, right? And done. So no errors. So this is how you need to make sure to do this configuration when you're working on IE. Now these configuration can be handled via coding part as well, right? We can do right now what we are doing. We are executing things on a website, right? We navigated to a website, and now we'll from the next line onwards we're gonna start performing some automation testing on the website. Now at times instead of website you need to configure your browser. So there are some classes available which will actually going to help you in configuring your browsers as well, right? So I can show you that code right now, but like that code you might not able to understand it at this moment. We will be covering this in our upcoming lectures, but still, if in case you want to see that, so that thing can be handled programmatically as well. Like if in case I don't want to do manual configuration of my IE browser, I can do it something like this. I'll show it to you. Give me a moment. So this is what that I'm talking about. Give me a moment. Not over here. Where have I kept it? Okay. Yeah. So this is what you need to do. So there's a class called as desired capabilities, right? Which is not only for IE. Through this class, you can define the capabilities of any browser you want, right? This is an internal Selenium class, right? So in case you want to work on IE, call it through IE. Otherwise, all these browsers are available: Android, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, IE, Opera, Safari, right? You can define capabilities of any browser. So at this moment, we are defining capability of IE. We are saying that introduce flakiness by ignoring security domains to true and ignore zoom settings to true. Although this thing is deprecated and it is achieved in a different way, but at this moment, we're going to see this example only, and later on, I'm going to show you a better way of doing it. So just copy this capabilities and pass it to the constructor of your browser class, right? Because if you just create an object of this class, a default constructor is called, which launches by default browser. But if you want your browser to be invoked with some predefined configuration, you need to pass these capabilities over here like this. See, right now it shows deprecated, but don't worry about it. It will still gonna work. Now what I'll do, I'll go back to IE and make the zoom level to 125%. Go to security, and again, I'm going to lower it down, right? And disable this. And let's run it again and see what happens. See, this works at 125% as well, and without doing anything on the security end, right? So this is how through coding part as well you can achieve these things. But we'll be looking at these things later on, not at this moment, right? But this is something that is actually available in this API, right? So far we have seen configuration for IE, Chrome, Firefox. These are the three very widely used browsers, right? And now, since from latest Windows 10, we have Edge browser as well available. So let us do something on Edge as well. So I'll say Edge driver. Edge driver equal to new Edge driver. Import, run. Let's see what capabilities we got. What property, system property. This is something related to Edge driver. So over here, we'll be giving Edge. Right. For Edge, we need another executable file. Go over here and download the Edge. That is Microsoft Edge driver. Right. So you will gonna get download somewhere from here, although we use it very less. But yeah, this is Microsoft Web driver. So download this exe file, the latest one. Let's see where it is downloaded. So it's not here. Let me see. Let me try downloading it again. It's not showing me the location. Yep. Open folder. Okay, it's in a separate folder. Microsoft Web Driver.exe. This is the file that we got. So I'll paste it to executables and then give this exe path. Save. and run this again. See, it launches Edge and navigating to way2automation.com. Right? So you have seen four browsers now. We have seen Edge, we have seen IE, we have seen Chrome, we have seen Firefox. Right? So these are the four browsers we have seen so far, and we have successfully done configuration on all these browsers. All right.